everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn about swarm intelligence. Introduction. Swarm intelligence was introduced by Gerardo Penny and Jing Wang in the year 1989. SI simply means using the knowledge of collective objects, people, insects, etc. together and then reaching the optimized solution for a given problem. Swarm means a group of objects, people, insects, etc. In other words, let's say we give a problem statement to a single person and tell him or her to go through this problem and then give the solution. Then this means that we will consider the solution of that particular person only. But the problem is that the solution given by that person may not be the best solution, or maybe that solution is not good for others. So, to avoid that, what we do is we give the problem to a certain amount of people together, swarm, and ask them to reach the best solution possible for that problem, and then computing all the responses together to reach the best solution possible. So, here we are using the knowledge of the group as a whole to reach to the best solution or optimized solution for that problem, and the solution will be good for all of them individually too. So that is the idea behind swarm intelligence. Let's take an example to prove that the collective knowledge of objects is better than any individual object. Example, let's say we have a jar containing 500 marbles in that. The question is, without touching the jar, a person needs to predict how many marbles are in that jar. Suppose we take only one response from a person and it predicts that according to him, the jar contains 400 marbles. So, by this result, we can conclude that this estimation of that person is not very bad since the difference is of 100 only. But this might not be the best solution. We can optimize this even more. So now what we will do is instead of taking response from only one person, we will be taking response from 10 people. Let's say let P denote a person, therefore the responses are as follows. P1 400, P2 450, P3 550, P4 600, P5 480, P6 390, P7 520, P8 490, P9 510, and P10 450. So, after collecting the responses from 10 different individuals, we can take the average of their responses, which is 484 marbles in the jar. Now, from this, we can say that from the collective predictions from 10 different persons, we have reached a more optimal answer, that is 484 marbles in the jar. We are very close to the actual result of 500 marbles in the jar. Here is this case, the difference reduces to only 16 marbles as compared to the previous error, which was 100. So, that is the main idea behind swarm intelligence, that is to use the collective knowledge of objects. Why swarm intelligence? The answer to this is simple now, and we proved this in our previous marble example, which is collecting the answers, responses from different objects individually, and then computing all responses as a whole to a solution that best fits our given problem. So, here, with this approach, we are having a more optimized solution for a given problem, and that is the reason why swarm intelligence came into the picture. Because of this reason, we can use it in different scenarios of life. Example, forecasting. Which policy is good for the business, etc. So simply, we are using the brain of brains to reach the solution for a given problem. If we will observe in our surroundings, nature, then we will be able to find many examples of swarm intelligence like ant colony, swarm of bees, flock of birds, etc. And in reality, also, the idea of swarm intelligence was taken from nature only. Swarm of bees. Bees also use the same principle for their survival. That is, when they search for the place like where they can build their hive, then the task of each bee is to consider several parameters that the hive which will be built should be on good height to avoid predators, should be near water reserves, should be near pollens, flowers to collect nectar, etc. Then they use their collective research, and finally, a place is decided. That is where the hive would be built, considering all the parameters, and they reach the best solution for that problem. Ant colony. If we will observe closely, then the ants also follow this principle of swarm intelligence. For example, to build the home, they collect mud particles from the surroundings and individually have a responsibility to build their home. They communicate through signals and pheromones. Ants use this for tracing other ants, and regardless of what other ants are doing, an individual ant is responsible for only its own contribution to build the home. Similarly, when they search for food, then at first they search individually for food, leaving the pheromones behind, and once they find the food source, then that ant communicates with other ants, and then other ants can trace it and follow that path to reach the source of food instead of just randomly searching food in different locations every time. Artificial swarm intelligence. It is also known as human swarm. Here also the idea is same, that we randomly make some of the persons participating in a real-time system and tell them to find the solution for that particular problem individually. The final solution is then computed after taking responses from each participant, and the final solution is presented, which is more optimized as compared to solution taken from only one participant. Applications in technology. Uncover the diverse applications of swarm intelligence in technology, such as optimization algorithms, robotics, and network routing. Witness how nature's wisdom is harassed for technological advancement. Problem solving strategies. Swarm intelligence is utilized to solve complex problems, including optimization, pattern recognition, and decision making. Explore the effectiveness of leveraging collective intelligence. Business and management. Swarm intelligence in business and management, from market analysis to organizational design. Witness how decentralized decision making can lead to innovative solutions. Challenges and limitations. Challenges and limitations of swarm intelligence include scalability, robustness, and real world implementation. Understanding the considerations while applying swarm intelligence based solutions is very helpful. Ethical considerations. Delve into the ethical implications of swarm intelligence in areas such as privacy, security, and autonomy. Explore the need for responsible and ethical use of collective intelligence systems. Future perspectives. Explore the future of swarm intelligence, from advancements in autonomous systems to its integration with artificial intelligence. Envision the potential impact of collective intelligence on society and technology. Conclusion. Reflect on the immense potential of swarm intelligence and its role in shaping the future of technology and problem solving. Embrace the power of collective intelligence for innovative solutions. Thank you.